everyone, welcome to another vlog from the planetpearl YouTube channel. This is a little postcard from summer. Summer is a magical time in Christchurch. Roses bloom in abundance this time of the year. The rose garden at the botanical garden is breathtaking, colourful and divinely fragrant. We love spending time in a quiet spot, taking in all the beauty around us. Little garden helpers hop on by to say hello and maybe score a crumb or two. We also never tire of walking around the heritage buildings. Of course, summer would be incomplete without ice cream treats every chance we get. Little winged visitors, chirping and trusting and eager to get a treat for themselves, come by as well. Summer is not just a time of long sunny days, warm enchanting twilight. It is also a time to do what we want and when. It is fun to meander around unexplored places, simply doing nothing but sit still and enjoy the tranquility, feel the breeze in the hair, watch the sunset on the horizon. Standing on the shore, watching the gentle waves rippling back and forth, create a nature table for passers-by to enjoy, and savoring the peace and joy it brings to the soul. Summer is also a time of celebration in our household. Birthdays and wedding anniversary roll out one after the other, and what better way to celebrate than enjoying the simple pleasures of a surprise picnic, lingering in a cafe, enjoying cake, food, and family with an abundance of things to be grateful for. Not to be left behind in the season of carefree days and gaiety, a garden comes alive with a dawn chorus of birds, butterflies, and bees fluttering around. We've been pottering around in the garden and discovering the delight of growing things. Noticing small changes in the garden, new leaves unfurling, or seeds peeking out of the soil giving out new shoots are moments that envelop us with serenity. Our lily plant, hydrangeas and roses bloomed in all its glory. Feeling lucky to have them in our garden, we often bring the roses indoors to enjoy their gorgeous pink color and heady scent inside our little sanctuary, which is our home. In spite of us being gardening novices, we got to enjoy the fruits of our labor. Finding time to craft in the general busyness of summer has not been easy, but little pockets of soul-soothing crafting did happen. Having several crafts on the go at the same time means finishing my projects takes longer than I would like. But it's the process I enjoy. The product is just the cherry on top. These little moments of summer, following a slower rhythm, linger in our memory long after the season is gone. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Until next time, take care. Bye.